This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 10x10 bundle. It does include 4 10x10 trays, 24 6-cell inserts, and 4 humidity domes. And these are of very durable Bootstrap Farmer quality. They are very sturdy, heavy duty, and each 10x10 tray holds 6 6-cell inserts, and that's why you get 4 10x10 trays, 24 inserts, and 4 humidity domes. Each 6-cell comes with the easy pop-out holes on the bottom, along with air pruning. These are all very durable, and I appreciate the fact that I can get many, many years of uses out of this instead of using one-use throwaway plastics.